tree so tall and wide, little squirrel runs and hides, gathering nuts all day long. Now the night hums soft and strong. Snuggle, snuggle, sleepy squirrel, dreams begin to softly swirl. Wrap your tail so warm and tight, sleep beneath the stars tonight. Branches sway and leaves will sigh, fireflies dance in the sky. Squirrel nest is safe and small, perfect place for dreams to fall. Snuggle, snuggle, sleepy squirrel, nighttime wraps you like a curl. Close your eyes and drift so deep into cozy woodland sleep.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more fun videos.